In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to Canva's colour wheel generator. Now, when designing anything online, colour combinations play a huge part in how your designs look and feel. Now, by using this colour wheel generator, this is going to help you create better designs. Now, if you want to check this out, I will link it down in the description below. Now, on here, you have some information about the colour wheel, colour theory and the colour wheel, colour combinations, and so much more. I highly suggest just coming through and having a little read. Now, right here is the colour wheel. If we touch anywhere on here, it's going to create us colour combinations that work extremely well together. Now, once you have two combinations that you like, let's go with this purple and green. We have a few different options just here. We can click on here and choose from all of these different ones as well, from complementary, monochromatic, analogous, and a few others. We can choose the hex code color underneath by clicking on here, and we can also use this combination in a new graphic. So if we click on here, it will open Canva in a brand new project, or we can export the palette just here. We do also have the option to put in our own hex color code just here, and it will give us color that works well with that color. Now, for this example, let's just go ahead and choose these. So once we've found the colors that we want, we can click on the hex code to copy to the board. We can come over to our project, and then we can use that in our design. We just paste that in there, and now that's changed. If we click on this one, we can do that as well, like that. Then we can come over, copy the hex code of that color as well, come back over to our design. Let's just move that to the back. Then we can change this color like so, and we can do the same for here as well. So if we click on here and change the color, we now have that color combination in our design. So come through and check out Canva's colour wheel generator. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to watch more, then click right here and watch my bite-sized Canva tutorials.